3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To get started with Instagram, first download and set up the app if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, the homepage will display stories from people you follow at the top and a feed of posts, including those from your followers, sponsored content, and suggested accounts below. Tap on a profile icon to view someone's story, which disappears after 24 hours. You can toggle between seeing posts from all accounts or just those you follow by tapping Instagram at the top and selecting following. To interact with posts, you can like them by tapping the heart icon, comment by using the speech bubble, or share a post through the paper airplane icon to send it in a direct message. Add it to your story or share it on another platform. Explore more content by tapping the magnifying glass to access the Explore page, which suggests posts and reels tailored to your interests. Use the search bar to look for users, topics, or hashtags and follow new accounts by visiting their profiles and tapping follow. To create your own post, tap the icon, select your media, and use Instagram's editing tools like filters and adjustments. Add a caption, hashtags, tags, location, or music before tapping share. If you like to post or view short-form videos, navigate to the Reels tab or create your own by selecting Reel from the menu. Access Instagram's messaging feature by tapping the paper airplane icon, where you can send messages or start audio and video calls. Notifications about likes, comments, and follows can be found under the heart icon, while your profile icon takes you to your own account where you can review your posts, reels, and tag photos. For a detailed activity log, tap the menu icon in your profile and select your activity.